In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check payment history in Hostinger. If you want to review your past payments, confirm a charge, or simply keep track of your billing activity, Hostinger makes this very easy to do from your account dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your payment history so you can quickly access the information you need. To begin, make sure you're already logged in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is where account-related settings and options are usually stored, so it's the first place to go when you need to manage billing or personal account details. Go ahead and click the profile icon. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Billing. This will take you to the section of your account where you can manage payments, invoices, and other billing-related information. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry, everything is organized in a straightforward way. Once you're inside the billing section, look for the Payment History tab. This tab is specifically designed to show a record of your previous transactions. Click on Payment History to open it. As soon as you switch to that tab, you'll be able to see your payment history displayed on the screen. This is where Hostinger lists the payments that have been made through your account. Depending on your account activity, you may see multiple entries here, which can help you review past charges and confirm when payments were completed. If you're checking this page for a specific transaction, it can be helpful to slowly scan the list and compare dates or amounts. That makes it easier to find the exact payment you're looking for, especially if you've had more than one service renewal or purchase. And that's it. To check your payment history in Hostinger, just click the profile icon in the top right, select Billing, and then open the Payment History tab to view your past payments. This is a useful page to know about whenever you need to verify billing details or keep a record of account transactions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.